To teach your dog to shake hands, start by giving it a sit command or waiting for it to sit on its own. Once the dog sits, show it a treat, but don't offer the treat yet. Give the dog verbal command, such as paw or shake, and keep holding the treat in front of the dog. If your dog starts to fidget and ask for the treat, watch for any behaviors you want to reward. For instance, your dog may lift its paw to try to reach for the treat. If this happens, say yes in an excited voice and give your dog the treat. Keep doing this until the dog reliably lifts its paw whenever you say paw or shake. Next, start rewarding your dog as it gets closer to the goal behavior. For instance, if it lifts its paw higher or puts it on or in your hand, offer a treat. Say the command at the same time that the dog does the desired action. Then, move on to saying the command before the dog lifts its paw. If the dog completes the command, give it a treat. Eventually, your dog should start to respond to the command, even without treats.